welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing, and I think you know why. This wig is absolutely beautiful. The second I saw this wig, I knew I was gonna be a baddie, and I knew I was gonna live my best life, and I want you to live your best life too. So stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Wigcool, my second collaboration with them. Today what I have installed is a 30-inch glueless closure wig. This is in the jerry curl texture. The wig does come slightly pre-plucked. If you want it to look like this, stick around because I'm definitely going to show you how to get this look and tell you what I did to get this look.
Just be myself. I just wanna be, I don't wanna be behind all the things I left behind me.
Alright guys, let's get right into it. So I do want to show you guys what the lace looks like before I even put anything on it. So I'm going to put it on and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like without the lace tip that we're going to be applying. And it does have the little drawstring feature that we love, so it's going to add extra security when we're wearing it glueless. I think this is pretty much going to be the standard for wigs moving forward. I think the majority of the wigs that I'm receiving, you guys might already know, always come with a drawstring now. Look how long it is. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, honey, getting to the big hair. This is the definition of big hair, don't care. Is there enough room in the frame for this hair? It's giving, you know, I'm gonna go ahead, bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna come back because I can see that it just needs to be bleached. Like, it's existing, but I want her to live and thrive because, babes, me and this wig, we have plans afterwards. So I might as well do the little hard work now and then come back. So this is what she looks like fresh out of the box. I'm gonna bleach the knots and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys some easy, quick plucking. All right, we're back, friends, we're back. Okay, so I took it upon myself to bleach the knots. And I'm just gonna say, excuse the loud kids in the background if you hear them. It's summertime, there's no school. The parents, I think, they just want their kids to get tired so they can sleep and not bother them. Ooh, okay, bleach knots. Now, we aren't going to stop there because I'm looking at the hairline and I'm like, I'm gonna do some lazy plucking. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, don't. I'm gonna go in and pluck and skip sections, pluck. I'm plucking in like one section first, going down. So like in a line. And then I'm gonna skip that section and go into the next section. This is lazy plucking. And I like to do it wet. Do not do it dry. Okay, so you can see already it's a little bit thinner out. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once that's done. Okay, so this is the results. I know it doesn't look like much, but believe me, it's a lot. Okay, it does have a start and an end, right? So like right here is the start of the closure. You can try to get as close to that as possible. What I like to do is just grab like a black shadow or a pencil or a marker. I have this little black eyeliner pencil. I like to just go over where that little piece is. I like my baby hairs to be on the shorter side. The hair is gonna want to lay up. Okay, so just curl under. I like to go in with this product here by Tresemme when I'm not using my lace melt spray. This mousse works really well. It's a strong hold. It just works really nice for everything. So I like to use it. I mean, you could do a little, do we want to do a little something like that? I don't know, do we? Ooh, perfectly bleached knots. Pause. We need to clean up the part. If you've been with me for a while, which I know you have because you guys are the realists, you guys know I always use this palette, right? This is the palette that I always use. And it's the Clay Play palette. Okay. Water, and I'm gonna also show you like how I get the perfect curls. So I'm gonna spray it with the conditioner water first. I like to make sure that it's evenly saturated, and the wig was wet when I first started this review, but I'm defining the curls now, right? So I'm setting it in place. So we have to do basically all of that again. Okay, perfectly saturated. I like to go in with gel, but I took my gel out of here and I put it in my washroom in my bedroom. So I'm gonna go in with some BioSilk and then just run it all throughout the hair. This is what I'm using. This is the Curl Paste by Ebin. My camera is overheating, so I'm going to just put that in. It's like it honestly feels like edge tamer. You don't want to put a lot of this stuff. A little bit goes a long way. That's too much. It seals the curl in, so it's like it's gonna hold it wet look, but this will give you all day wet look hair. And then we just let it dry. So this is what we're working with right now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna leave it to dry and then come back once it's dry. Oh my god, this wig, I still can't get over it. Wow. So when it comes to this wig, is it beautiful? Absolutely. I think it is one of the prettiest curly wigs that I've tried. I typically don't see jerry curl with this long length. Like, it's so long it's not even in the frame, you guys. And what I love about it most is that it's full, like through the root to the tip. Just know that I'm just living my big hair moment and I'm loving every second of it. I actually don't want to take it off. This is a wig that I'll reach for over and over. A vacation wig, a special occasion wig. For me to get to this point here, I did bleach the knots and I plucked the hairline. Now, do you need to do that? No, you don't, because I did show you guys in the beginning what it looked like without it being plucked and without it being bleached. Just go ahead and bleach the knots. And if you don't know how to bleach the knots, find someone that does, because it really does make a difference. And also go ahead and pluck the wig. I typically would normally do a bust down middle part, but because we bleached the knots, it looks so nice parted down to the side, and we did some baby hair. It is so full. I like that the closure part where the hairs are is a little bit shorter, so it kind of gives you like some face framing just along that one side there. But I love my wigs like this, long, flowy, and bouncy. I am obsessed with it. Like, I don't know what is a better word for obsessed, because that's what I am. Like, I'm obsessed. I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. And I know this review, the entire review, I've been like looking at myself in the mirror. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't help it. It's that girl, okay babes? I feel like I'm that girl. Nobody can tell me differently. And you can't tell me that this is not my hair. All 30 inches of it. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. I mean, I know the wig speaks for itself, but if you don't want to take my opinion and you don't want to trust me, just check it out for yourself. Come back and thank me later. I'm gonna go live my best life. Okay, because yeah. Right? Okay, bye guys.